This air cannon is made from a 20-gallon Harbor Freight air tank, a Rainbird sprinkler valve, and I triggered it using a remote control bought from eBay. I used a 12-volt lithium polymer RC battery to power both the remote control and the sprinkler valve. This thing is now completely wireless. 7 wads of confetti, set at 100 psi, tilt max, and then the height is at max. Okay, go ahead and hit 12 when you're ready. That's pretty nice. Okay, here's the second test. Same setup, fully packed barrel, 100 psi. This time no wadding. And the last one was 29 feet by 5 feet. And let's see how this one goes here. Okay, fire in the hole. Oh man. Alright, maximum pressure, maximum tilt, maximum everything. There we go. Going for a new record, 30 feet. Go to the, probably as far all the way over here just to check to make sure the range is good on that thing. Yeah, go ahead. This one is set to fire through the kitchen window. It's at a little bit higher of an angle. Full 140 psi. It's lined up so we only have a couple of inches around the eave of the corner of the window frame. And that's the position of the cart to the table. I'm going to go ahead and take another side shot of this one. Alright, ready. Yeah, I think we just need to change the type of confetti because we have all this bunching happening here. But that's still looks like they're about 30 feet. I bet you the other one, the real confetti will fly all the way. That's cool. Yeah. I mean, you wouldn't get hurt any more than someone falling in. Yeah. And that's the real one. Yeah. How far did it go? To here, but that's only 3. Come on, Brandon. We're coming up on that 1 minute mark, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! This is a new test back at 100 psi with the barrels flopped around, and we now have a bolt spread out the confetti, hopefully. That's 4. I'm not staying in front of the barrel this time because just in case the whole barrel flies out for it. Actually, it'd be nice to get a side view anyway. Alright. Ready. Yeah. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to stand there.
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. The safety factor. Oh, it's big, dude.
At least you didn't put a hole in the wall. Hey, that would have been without testing. I would be like, hey, Mike, I got this air kit. We should try it out. And then you'd be in the newspaper.
Everybody along this table is all on the ground, you know, all their drinks are wiped off.
You guys would make it in the news. You'd be on all the channels.
Yeah.